This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux like a pro. A roux is a foundational thickening agent, crucial for countless delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. It's simply a cooked mixture of fat and flour, forming the backbone of many classic dishes. Understanding its basic components and purpose is the first step to culinary excellence. We will explore how this simple combination transforms into a powerful flavor and texture enhancer for your cooking. Selecting the right ingredients is paramount for a professional roux. For fat, unsalted butter offers rich flavor, while vegetable oil provides a neutral base, and bacon fat adds a smoky depth. All-purpose flour is your go-to for consistency. The golden rule for a perfect roux is a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to flour, typically by weight, ensuring a smooth and effective thickening agent for your culinary creations. The cooking process is where the magic happens. Begin by melting your chosen fat over low to medium heat, then gradually whisk in the flour. Stir constantly to prevent any lumps and ensure even cooking. Watch as the roux transforms from a pale white to a golden blonde, then a rich peanut butter color. Each stage develops unique flavors, with darker roux providing a deeper, nuttier taste but less thickening ability. To truly master the roux, avoid common pitfalls. Never use high heat as it can scorch the flour, imparting a bitter taste. Consistent stirring is non-negotiable. A whisk is your best friend for preventing lumps and ensuring a silky smooth texture. Remember, the longer you cook your roux, the deeper its flavor will become, though its thickening power will slightly diminish. Practice these techniques for consistently perfect results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.